Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy spinach dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of fresh spinach, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 4 ounces of light cream cheese. Don't forget a couple of cloves of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These items are key to a delicious and healthier dip. Now let's prepare the star of our dip, the spinach. Begin by washing 10 ounces of fresh spinach thoroughly under cold water. It's crucial to dry it very well, perhaps using a salad spinner or paper towels. Once dry, roughly chop the spinach into small pieces. Finally, squeeze out any remaining excess water. This prevents a watery dip. With your spinach ready, it's time to mix everything together. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and 4 ounces of softened light cream cheese. Stir these until smooth. Next, add your minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, gently fold in the chopped spinach until all ingredients are evenly distributed. This creates a creamy, flavorful base. Almost there. For the best flavor, cover your healthy spinach dip and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready, serve your delicious dip with your favorite dippers, like crisp vegetables, whole wheat crackers, or toasted pita bread. It's a fantastic, guilt-free snack or appetizer. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.